I already started it. Hey guys, welcome to the morning vlog. Morning vlog. Seriously. Seriously, it's morning. We woke up very. We stayed up all night. We did the 24-hour challenge. Backflip time. Woo! I cannot see a thing out there. I think snow got in the house. Literally. Haley. I mean, Neon Galaxy, look. It's snow. Is it? Oh, yeah. Ow. I'm okay. I think the light is up. Cover your nose. Baby, that's so hard. I drove. That hurt. I got murdered.
So my pop's out of here.
You're not Ollie. See?
Yeah.
Me quiero solo cara.
Are you Ollie's girlfriend?
Yes.
What's Ollie's girlfriend's name?
Oh, Alessandra.
Oh my god.
Abracadabra.
Cover your nose just in case you burp.
Hey, look. A nose. The mysterious. That's the mysterious thing. Again. And there is the mysterious thing that burps every time.
You turn it at me.
Every time you do something funny. The name is
Neon Galaxy 247, aka Haley Foreman.
no.
It's called the burper. Burping burger.
Happy burper.
Happy burper day.
Are you guys okay? Did you guys run away?
Let's listen.
Don't leave just yet.
Let's listen.
Make sure you like and comment below. What? Listen. Happy birthday. People think. I'm like Colleen.
Okay, guys, it's morning vlog over. It's time for me to get to my.
Let me do the burp. Goodbye.
That's